Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Fifth Third Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a 53.com and press enter. At the official web page of Fifth Third Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right screen. Click on it. To get logged in into your account, you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged into the online banking account of Fifth Third Bank. As we are going to recover our user ID and password, we need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID, forgot password. For this video, I will be showing with forgot password. Click on it. Here you will be redirected to the recovery page of your password where you need to provide your user ID, then social security number and account or card number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on the next and then go in for following the instruction that has been provided where you will be able to recover your password. The same in the user ID, you need to click on the link provided in the login form, that is forgot user ID. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to the recovery page of user ID where you need to provide the details. Then click on next where you will be able to recover your user ID by following the further instruction that has been provided. This is how you can recover your password or user ID of online banking account on Fifth Third Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover online bank account password of Fifth Third Bank. Thank you.